Hey everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This one might seem kind of logical, but the more people I talk to, the more people are not doing this. So I want you to get really organized with your media pitches. We've talked about pitching every single month and calendars and things like that, but I want you to be organized. I'd like you to have a Google Doc where you have maybe one tab are your media contacts, all their information. Remember, they move around, so you've got to update this stuff, periodically. And then I want you to have another tab that says, with the date, who you pitched, when you pitched it, and what your results were. Did you pitch by email and then follow up by a phone call and then do another email? Did you email, then another email, then a phone call? I always want to make sure we get that phone call in there. But keep track of that. And did they respond? Did they like the pitch, but it wasn't a good time? So that way you've got it there, and then you can put things in your calendar to update. And if you did pitch something that was really popular and really great, remember that for next year, how can you tweak it and try to get similar results? So a spreadsheet, Google Doc, anything like that. I like a Google Doc because if you end up hiring somebody who's going to handle this stuff for you or do some marketing for you, that gives them access to it as well. So set up that Google Doc with your media contacts, all their information and what you're pitching when and your results. So that's this week's tip. And I'd like to invite you to learn so much more in our PR challenge. It's yourprchallenge.com. It's completely free. I will send you a video every single day for 10 days. You need 10 minutes a day. That's it. Grab your coffee and watch these videos. I'm super excited with the results that people are getting. It's going to help you get massive visibility. So join the challenge and I'll see you there. And I hope to see you in the media too.